sure you can fix it. Frank, we got to do F5 and Mirage again.
Throttle cut.
Madman!
Landing flaps. Gear up, flaps up.
It's got a burning butt.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Oh, the receiver's worth like 130.
That's awesome.
What are you flying?
Time remaining 2 minutes.
You only wanted $75.
No. It's a stock fan, yes, but a different motor. It's a 6S motor in there now. No, this is a Dr. Mad Thrust. That thing's... Are you trying to catch me with that thing? Look out for the big bird. Oh, you are catching me. You're with me. Shit. Look at that thing. Don't fold your wings, though. Go, Vixie, go!
Time remaining 1 minute.
That thing's quick! Woo! The buzzard needs to go somewhere else before he gets speared. Keeps like doing that flap like I'm getting out of the way, but he's still there in the way. Whoa, hello.
1. Time expired.
Alright, I'm coming in.
Clear down.
That thing's got cojones. Look at them cajones, man. Weird ass wind right there. Almost lost it. Ouch! What the hell? Just kind of dropped out of the sky. Gotta check my gear. that I haven't seen that fly in so long, and you changed it,
Yeah.
so it's even more different.
Just the fan.
So it's the FMS